Fresh from the furnace, NAIPU slurry pump components resemble newly formed gems in the industrial world. Their smooth contours convey both strength and beauty. The casting textures show the marks of high temperatures and molds, raw yet refined, unpolished but elegant, ready to shine in the industrial field. Next, the parts undergo annealing. Carefully placed in the furnace, they bathe at the optimal temperature, releasing internal stresses and stabilizing the material's structure. Machining then gives the parts precise dimensions and perfect shapes. Tools cut, grind, drill, and mill with flawless accuracy. From casting to shaping, every step reflects NAIPU's craftsmanship, ensuring slurry pump components with exceptional performance.